see the ferry coming in. It doesn't look that big.
That crow's carrying a business card.
Yeah, he's been playing with it for a minute. I was watching him.
Always promoting.
It's like, what is he doing? Crows are actually playful, aren't they?
Train a crow just to go out and get your competitors' business cards. This is gorgeous, huh?
Maybe it says on that business card www.goodwitch.com or .ca. Would have been really nice to go on the ferry.
There should be orcas up in
You
here.
can walk on that ferry. Do you want to walk on the ferry?
I don't care what we do.
Yeah, but you're not in a parking.
I can go move into a paid parking spot and we can do a walk on the ferry. Do you want to do a walk on ferry ride or no?
No. There you go.
Lotion.
It's so cute.
So cute. That's how we had a low, like a raft when we went whale viewing in Oregon.
Yeah.
And this little dog about the size
I think
of
you're right,
Paige is only black.
Because we kind of did that with Victoria too, right?
He looks really happy.
Check him. He's the one that if his turn. He said, if my dog's head turns and he stands there, that's where and he barks, that's where the whales are. And sure enough,
He knows.
yeah.
The predicted rise in sea level should be here.
Huh.
What year? 20?
20,000.
A long time.
2,200. I can't believe those boys are 16 years old. Happened so fast. Our boys, they were 11 years old and then went to sleep and they were 18. It seemed like
And they look like grown men.
Yeah, it's just crazy. And even here, the pictures when we just moved here,
Yeah, they look so
were
different.
young, you know, and then the ones from Hawaii, they just look like little boys.
Yep. Even in the Philippines, they look like little boys when we were in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And then a year later, we moved here, and then now, 2 years later, it's like, what?
I'm so grateful to be able to see them.
Too bad that blower is making so much noise. It kind of ruins my
And
bonding.
I'm just wondering if this eagle park over here is just full of eagles eating salmon. Let me look it up.
Scones and coffee.
There's the baby behind you.
That's so cute. Is she gonna regurgitate something?
She's calling to him.
She called him. He's
The
coming.
baby came down to eat.
I think she's waiting for the mama to regurgitate the food. This is nature. Oh, look at that! Oh my god! It's a big old salmon!
Whoa. Oh my god.
It's a big old chunk of salmon! Oh, those look like salmon eggs! Hey, those look like salmon
That's the roe,
eggs!
Yeah. Literally has the roe and the salmon.
Oh my god, that's crazy. I never seen that before. And then this little black
they'll
bird over
give you
here is
some.
like, give me some.
There's this crow. Yeah, she just videoed it, the whole thing.
It's pretty cool. She only has one baby because the one baby gets to eat
Look
all
at
that.
this crow. The crow's like,
He's like, can I have some? He's like, Mama?
Stop me. Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Oh, and she ate it.
She's like, here, you can have some, and then I'll have the rest.
Wow. Good job, Mama. Pretty crazy.
It's like, more.
That was pretty incredible, man. You caught the whole thing, huh, Maria?
I'm pretty sure. I think I was on this time.
That's
She's
something
like, you
else,
wait,
Mama.
you wait.
Put a whole show on, huh?